In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring invoice template and save it properly from start to finish. First, make sure you're on your dashboard and look over to the left-hand side. Find the section labeled Invoices and open it. This is the control center for everything billing related, and it's where recurring invoices live. Once you're in there, look for the option called Recurring Templates. This is the area where you set up invoices that send automatically on a schedule, saving you time and keeping your cash flow consistent. Go ahead and click on Recurring Templates and then select the plus sign to create a new template. The plus sign is your new button. After you click it, give the page a moment to load. You might see a spinner or a brief delay while the system prepares the form. Don't click around during this time. Letting it fully load helps avoid errors or duplicate drafts. Once the editor opens, start by entering an item name. Choose something clear and specific so you'll recognize it later. Think of a concise description that tells you exactly what's being billed. A good name helps keep your records tidy, especially if you have multiple templates. Next, add a client name. You can usually select an existing client from your list or type to search if the list is long. Take a second to confirm you've chosen the correct client to prevent sending invoices to the wrong account. Accuracy here saves you from awkward corrections later. After the client is set, check the payment option. This typically means confirming the payment method you want to allow for this invoice, such as enabling online payments or whatever your system supports. Make sure the correct option is selected. This step is important because it determines how your client can pay when the invoice goes out. When everything looks good, click Done. This wraps up the template details. Now click Save to store the template. You may be prompted to confirm, or you might see a second save button depending on your setup. Go ahead and click Save again. That second save ensures every change is captured and the template is fully committed. Once saved, you should see a confirmation or your new template listed among your recurring templates. That's it. You've created a recurring invoice template, verified the payment option, and saved it properly. If you ever need to update it, come back to the same recurring templates area, make your changes, and save again. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to automate your invoicing with